Ladies and gentlemen, before we end this special program, let's hear naman po the speech and thank you message of our friend. Chai?
Hello po. Sinulat ko na po yung last messages ko po dito kasi baka may makalimutan po ko. So, first of all, I want to thank the Lord for forever giving us His presence and for making this event happen. I'm really happy to celebrate my special day with the most wonderful people in my life, which is po. Thank you so much po. Sa totoo lang po kasi, hindi ko na po talaga hiniling na magkaroon ng celebration yung debut ko. And here I am, standing in front of you with my very successful 18th birthday celebration. Yung hiniling ko po talaga kila Mommy and Daddy is makomplete po yung party na makapag-bonding together, which is natupad po nung Christmas and New Year. If di nyo po alam, hindi ko po nakasama si Daddy for almost 13 years. Kaya greatest gift ko po talaga na nakapag-travel po kami ng Japan. Mommy, Daddy, words are not enough to express how grateful I am for everything. Thank you for all your sacrifices, efforts, and everything you've done just to make me entirely happy. And syempre, sa aking bunso, Charlie, di man pa ni ate sabi to sa'yo, but I love you so much, bunso. Alam ko na madalas sungit si ate sa'yo, or may topak, but trust me, hindi mo alam how much I love you, how much I care for you, and how much I'm proud of you. And syempre, to my Ninong Ado, Ninong Ariel, Ninong Jundel, and Ninong Junjun, thank you so much po. Alam ko yung pagod po natin para lang sa preparation po natin sa birthday po. And syempre, sa asama po sa akin sa mga kalokohan ko po. And syempre, dun sa sayaw po, thank you so much po to my friends, lalo na yung sa mga sumayaw, sinamahan ako till the end. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving your time and yung mga pagod natin, syempre, sa mga practices, and to my family, and of course, syempre, sa lahat po na nagpunta and nagstay till the end. Thank you so much po for making my birthday extra special. And I also want to thank Next Gen Digital Studio for capturing one of the most amazing moments in my life, Miss Cecile Domingo for making this venue so beautiful, Central Events Venue, Miss Angie, and Kuya Carlos Kyle Cruz for making me so beautiful today. I really appreciate all your birthday messages and wishes for me. Thank you so much po, because without all of you, this event wouldn't be possible. Thank you for making my day so magical, and this will be one of the most memorable day in my life. Have a great night po, and I hope nag-enjoy lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Ajay. And of course, thank you so much, Mommy. Ayan, maraming salamat po for choosing Central. At least naging part ako ng magical moment mo in life. Maraming salamat. And of course, to each and every one of you, to all the suppliers, maraming salamat po. Once again, to Central Events Place, maraming salamat din po. At sa lahat po ng dumalo, each and every one of you guys, thank you so much. Wala talagang umuwi at tinupad yung kanilang pledge kanina. Maraming salamat. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po ulit natin our beautiful debutant, Miss Lady Chacha Roy. This again, Andrea, your host, together with Central Events Place, saying good night and God bless. Ingat po everyone!